What are you doing? What are we gonna do today? Go bug daddy. Say we're gonna go see Auntie Becco in a fashion show. Are you excited? Say I wish you good luck. Hi guys. Today we're going to see a fashion show for my sister-in-law. So we will be vlogging that. And we'll see how that goes. Are you excited to go see Becco?
Me?
Yeah.
I guess.
It'll be fun. Is it gonna be fun, Rory? Say hi. We're going to see Becco. Alright, so we're here. Becco's fashion show. We're waiting. What do you think?
I think it's pretty interesting. I just saw a couple of people that I know, which is kind of
You're famous.
I'm in famous.
Look at, there's mom. Mi suegra. Becco. Becco. Do you feel famous?
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
Oh snap! No, no.
Babe, what are you doing?
I'm showing Rory how to play Infamous. No.
It's so pretty outside.
Stop. This.
Baby, I hate those pants.
What's wrong with these pants?
They're horrible.
Shout out to Urban Outfitters.
Oh, stop. Alright, so today I went to work and my mom and Todd are coming to visit for dinner.
Todd.
My mom's boyfriend. And hopefully I'll be able to record some of us cooking dinner, and we're gonna have steak, and so it'll be fun. Rory, what are you doing? Do you like your Cheerios and your mandarin oranges? We have Chris lounging in the chair. We have Mom and Todd in the kitchen. There's Todd.
Hey guys.
And there's Mom. Okay, Mom, what are you making?
Sauteed onions. You want some?
Those sure look good. Alright, so we just had steak and it was really, really, really good. I'm really full. And Mom just bathed Rory. Mom, how was dinner?
Dinner was delicious. Delicioso.
Say hi, Rory. Oh, that's your finger.